So GHD Duet Style gives you 48 hours unprecedented softness and up to 42% humidity resistance. And the way that that works is if you dry and style your hair with a hairdryer, it's sometimes quite easy to over dry your hair. Now, I like to think of your hair as a bit of a sponge. So imagine washing and conditioning your hair. You're packing in all this nice moisture into the hair. Now, over dry that sponge or your hair and then take it out to humid conditions. What it's going to start to want to do is replenish that moisture that's been lost during the styling process. So in that process of replenishing the moisture, you start to reset your hair. Now, this is where you start to get kinks, bends, frizzes reappearing on your hair. Now, the beauty of GHD Duet Style is it only evaporates the external moisture to your hair, keeping in all that good moisture inside. So when you go outside, there's no need for it to replenish itself. So that means that your style is going to last so much longer. And that's how GHD Duet Style gives you 48 hours unprecedented softness and up to 42% humidity resistance.